Today, we're diving into Lumo AI, a tool that promises to be your go-to AI assistant. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's see if it lives up to the hype or if it's just another overhyped tool. Lumo AI positions itself as an intelligent assistant designed to help with a wide range of tasks, from scheduling to content creation. The interface is clean and user-friendly, which is a plus for anyone looking to dive right in without a steep learning curve. What's interesting is its focus on integrating seamlessly into your daily workflow. You can expect features like natural language processing that allows you to communicate with the assistant in a conversational manner. However, there are a few areas that feel a bit vague. For instance, while the core functionalities sound impressive, specific details about its limitations or how it handles complex queries aren't very clear. This might leave potential users wondering how reliable it is for more demanding tasks. Overall, it's clear that Lumo AI aims to cater to busy professionals and students alike, but whether it can consistently meet those needs remains to be seen. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Lumo AI offers a clean interface and seems to handle basic tasks efficiently. Users looking for a straightforward assistant might find it quite useful. However, there are some notable frustrations. For one, the lack of detailed information on its advanced capabilities can be a turn-off for more tech-savvy users who want to know exactly what they're getting into. Also, there's the question of trust. Without enough user feedback or testimonials available, it's hard to gauge how reliable it is over time. Pricing details are also a bit murky, which can make potential buyers hesitate. If you're someone who needs a robust AI tool for complex tasks, you might want to explore other options first. In conclusion, Lumo AI could be a solid choice for those needing a simple assistant for everyday tasks. But if you're looking for something more advanced or reliable, you might want to shop around a bit more. Overall, it feels worth trying, but just be aware of its limitations before diving in.